everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. Happy Friday, you guys. Yay! Today's Friday, which means I either have a tip or a technique to share with you. And today I have a fabulous tip. Stampin' Up! Has come out with new ink pads. Now, I must say I love them. However, when you get them, they are a little tight. It's very tight. You got to use your arm and your finger muscles to open and close it. So my tip today for you guys, now I did try this using some waxed paper. Now this is just wax paper from the grocery store. And I tried rubbing the wax paper in this slot. And it works, but it doesn't work that good. So for today, the tip that I have is this birthday candle. You could also use a crayon. The crayons are waxed. So you can use a crayon or a candle. And you're just going to take your candle, and inside these slots, you're just going to rub your candle. And that is going to help your ink pad to slide open and closed. You just want to tap away any excess little gooby things that come out. And now you'll find when you slide it up and down, it's so much easier. So I really hope you found this tip useful, and when you purchase these ink pads, you'll do that to your ink pads. You're just going to take a crayon or a candle, rub it along there, and that's going to help you with these new ink pads. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please, you guys, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Click the bell. That way you will get notified every time I do a new video. I generally like to do videos Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And yeah, if you're in the US and you're interested in any of these ink pads, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have this over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, and I hope you'll head on over there and go and give that a look. And I hope everybody has a wonderful and safe weekend. And to all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day for Sunday. I hope you are spoiled, 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 because you know we are rocks. And yeah, every mother deserves nothing but the best. Have a good day. Take care.